Thank you.
Thank you.
Start. Introduction. Okay, my name is Viren Dayal. I am a third generation customs broker representing Vallabhdas Dayal and Sons. I have the honor and privilege to be associated with my firm, who's been a founder member of this association, which was established in 1935. I am a postgraduate from University of Bombay, and I've done my intermediate in company law while I was working in Union Carbide from 1982 to 1989. I joined my firm in 1989 and passed my erstwhile Rule 9 exam, which is now under the regulations of 1984, and qualified under Rule 9. And since the year 2001, I've been a faculty to this institute. I mean the training program, which I mostly coordinate, and sometimes I take a lecture. I've been the election officer on behalf of Mumbai Customers Agent Association since the year 2008 that I've handled 4 elections. With this brief introduction, thank you very much. I'll start my light. Just switch off the light. The drawback is a very important legislation in the Customs Act, and it's covered under 2 main sections, Section 74 and Section 75. Good. Now, as the slide shows, the word drawback literally means drawing back something. So you draw back the duties you paid. Why? Because the goods are being exported from the country. Hence, the government of India is giving you a benefit of drawing back the duties or returning the duties or taking back the duties which you paid to the government. The criteria is to get back the duties paid when you are actually exporting out of India. So when you export anything out of India, in the grammatical expressions and cognate expressions, that taking out of India from a port from within India to a port outside India, or selling a material from a domestic tariff area to an SEZ amounts to export, and hence you are eligible for drawback. So what the government wants to do is you export, but don't export the taxes, you take them back. Now, what is the intention of the legislature to do all this? It wants to recognize India as a reliable supplier of quality goods at competitive prices. So what does the government do? It gives you back all taxes, custom duty, excise duty, sales tax, or service tax which you paid on various services by way of a drawback when you export the product. Okay. Now, as I said, drawback is covered under section 74, 75 and 76. Literally 74 says drawback allowable on re-export of duty paid goods. Drawback means drawback on drawback allowable on re-export of duty paid goods, drawback on import and indigenous material paid, drawback on import and indigenous duty paid material used in the manufacture of export goods, which is covered under section 75, and section 76 says that on certain criteria no drawback can be allowed at all. Now section 74, when we start, you see the heading of section 74, it says drawback allowable on re-export of duty paid goods. Drawback allowable on re-export of duty paid goods means the goods should have been imported in India and a duty thereon has to be paid at the time of importation. Secondly, what section 74 says, when you want to re-export the goods for which you paid duty, they have to be easily identifiable as the one which were imported into India, which are now being tendered for export. And a proper officer, after being satisfied that the goods are the same which were imported and are now being exported, and gives a permission for clearance of the goods and loading thereof under section 51. In case of air or sea export, or in case of goods are exported under baggage, and the owner makes a declaration under section 77 to the proper officer, and the declaration is accepted for the purpose of export, or are entered for under post under section 82, and the officer tells you, gives you a permission to export the goods, 98% of the duty will be given to you by way of drawback under this section. 2% duty is foregone. The Government of India gives you back only 98% duty because 2% duty is used up by the government in administrative cost of granting you a drawback at the time of re-export. I hope this is clear. Section 74 deals with imported goods. Section 74 deals with goods to be identified. Section 74 says the goods which are imported, duty has to be paid thereon. Section 74 says the goods have to be identified before they are actually exported, and you will get back 98% of the duty. Just come here. The goods on which drawback is claimed, what is the eligibility criteria? Because the short question is normally asked. In the past 7 years of questions, we at least come 3 times, section 74. The eligibility criteria for claiming drawback is the goods on which drawback is claimed must be imported earlier. Import duty should have been paid when it is imported. And goods must be entered for re-exportation within 2 years from the payment of import duty. Now, the period of 2 years can be extended for a further period if the board, that is the CBEC, it deems fit, depending upon the circumstances of the goods. That means the goods must be actually exported out of the country after they are imported. So, if you meet these basic criteria of paying imported earlier, paying customs duty thereon, and filing a shipping bill for re-export under section 74 within 2 years, or extended time for which you have been given permission, the goods have to actually go out of the country. Of course, that the goods are capable of being identified as the same which are imported, which are being exported right now, and the market price of such goods must not be less than the amount of drawback claimed. That is another important criteria for eligibility. The goods are also eligible for a lower drawback than 98% if they are used after importation. There are some goods which you use after importation and not necessarily you will get 98%, like machinery or some kind of other kind of mechanical equipment which are used in the manufacture of production. So the government decides at what rate the drawback should be given back to you by way of a notification. So notification covered is notification number 19 dated 6 to 1965, which I have just given all of you a copy. Anyone not got this? So not more than 3 months, 95%,